Very good morning to our listeners. Have you all had a great weekend? And congratulations to any of our Spanish listeners. A quick look then around the markets. It's been fairly volatile so far in the session. In terms of one of the most recent market moving comments, we've seen the Finnish government come out and say that themselves and the Netherlands may look to block any bond buying via the ESM on the secondary markets. This coupled as well with comments from the weekend that although late Friday the German Parliament in their lower house did pass the fiscal compact, we have heard out of German press at the weekend that in terms of German Constitutional Court, they've already had 6 appeals against that. That in combination with the latest Finnish government comments then have put a bit of apprehension in the markets on getting some of the actual proposals formed at the EU summit at the end of last week through and the implementation side of things. So in terms of the earlier tightening we saw in the 10-year part of the curve in likes of Italy and Spain, that has begun to reverse slightly in recent trade as we head in toward the North American session. And as such, equities have drifted off their best levels, as too has the euro currency. Other news articles of note from the weekend did include a reiteration from the German Financial Ministry, who have continued to say that they're against the idea of euro bonds at any time soon. And also the economics minister out of Spain has been noted as also saying that contraction in the second quarter will be slightly deeper than that of what was seen in Q1. In terms of the actual data, a little softer in the manufacturing PMI data from China during the Asian trading hours, and that was echoed in the European numbers with both the Pan-Europe and the German numbers below that key 50 level. And then looking forward, manufacturing will continue to take precedence. The US ISM reading will be due at 3 o'clock London time, and that will be at 9 AM in Chicago. That pretty much though concludes the opening wrap from me here in Europe, so for the time being, I wish you all a great trading day.